Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to get the total number in a column here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you find the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so there's actually two ways you can go about this. The first I recommend is actually a very easy and simple way, and that is just by going up, selecting the columns. This one is E for example, clicking on it, and you can see in the bottom right it will actually be the average, count and sum of all the cells in that column. So you can see we have 8 right here. Okay, but if you are wanting to insert a function, what I recommend is putting in equals and then typing in sum, and then from here what you want to do is put in your bracket, and we want to go to E. Okay, that's the E column, so we do E, and then we do a colon, E again, and then close the bracket, and that will count everything in the E column. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.